Dzień dobry! Good morning everybody, just another day in Poland. It is hot.
It is hot. Why so bright? Oh, okay.
It's hot, kochanie, because today is
We
actually...
asked Siri and Siri said it's about 31 degrees.
I'll put on the screen how hot today. So today is the weekend. It's time to have a Sunday brunch because yesterday we were in Bydgoszcz and Torun. It's actually there are two capital city in what state is it?
Kujawsko-Pomorskie state.
So which we prefer, Bydgoszcz or Torun? Which one do you prefer?
I think Torun.
I think myself, I prefer Torun as well.
More to do, more interesting, and gingerbread there.
Yes. Okay, so today we will have our Sunday brunch as usual, and we go to the one restaurant that close by just next to the Malta Lake. Maybe after breakfast, I will take you to stroll around. It's hot, but it is windy, so it's not that humid. It's enjoyable.
Still
to see
enjoyable, I'm gonna say that.
So we will have a breakfast here, and here is the Polish menu. It's called the Barabu, and here is the English version. So this is what I always told my friend whenever you come to Poland. No worry, you will have a Polish and English version menu. And here we are.
Chilling, enjoying. Sayang here, yes. And then our breakfast arrived. When you have a nice baguette with chicken. And I have an English breakfast with 3 cabanos. Actually looks so good. 2 coffees, cappuccinos, some bread. Non-alcoholic rather, because they have it here. It's refreshing. Everything for 63 zł. So it's actually cheaper than in Bali, la?
It is cheap. It's cheaper than in Bali. What I can see.
Unbelievable, but looks so
Look at
good.
the portion. Huge.
So nice. Smacznego, sayang. One more shot of everything, which is nice. Come back to makan cantik, ah.
Makan cantik. Ani, I'm already
European
hungry.
version. Enjoy, sayang. Smacznego.
So this is basically the breakfast situation. You see that more and more people are coming. That's the name of the restaurant. Nice. Oh, kochani. You look so chill. See, more and more people are coming. Nice. So we just arrived in Malta Lake. It's about, the opposite of the place where we have a Sunday brunch. Today I'm gonna take Damian to have an ice cream with me in the Malta Lake. Look at this beautiful lake behind me. So I think this one is the biggest lake in Poznan, Poland.
Tak.
Right?
In Poznan, not in
Yes.
Poland, but
Tak.
in Poznan, yes.
And what I can see then today is Sunday. Many people are cycling, enjoying Sunday, sunbathing, and it is hot, about 31 degrees. So
It's hot.
Damian is already melted, and I need to take him for the ice cream. So
Ice
yeah,
cream.
let's go. We are in the Malta Lake. This is the map of the Legenda actually, right, kochani? And then over there is the lake, and many people are actually already chilling. I'll show you in the front. That's the white sand. For people, I think that normally they are just doing playing basketball. There behind is thermal swimming pool. I can see that it's so packed, and yeah, it's very nice. Let's have an ice cream, kochani.
And also the rowing is very popular on this lake.
Kayaking.
No, like a rowing.
Rowing?
Like, you know the Olympic one.
Yes,
like
yes,
a few
yes, yes,
people
yes.
on one boat, and
Yes.
they had like something like this one. Yeah, this is very popular on this lake. Not today, but in general. Yeah.
Yes, I can see that. Let's have a ice cream. That's over there. I think, kochani, remember? That's the one. Beautiful.
But there is like a roller coaster, little bit.
Yes. Do you wanna get that one? You see, I'll a bit show you. You see? Ooh, look
Cool.
at this. Super cool. So nice. We come here because we need to have a dessert. So Damian want to have a ice cream. Ice cream o'clock. Yum. So here is the price of the ice cream. That's Damian's favorite one. This is my ice cream, and Damian waiting for his turn. And Ooh, look at this.
Ice cream.
Kochanie, I holding my phone and even my phone is hot.
Tak. Now
It's
you
so
know
hot.
how I feel when I travel in Asia.
Oh my god. And this is how actually the place, the ice cream shop. They also have a go free, but I prefer to have a ice cream. And here we go. Wow. This is so nice and surround. That over there is the thermal Malta swimming pool, and I think that's all the kind of swimming pool and I think attraction, slide and everything, water sport there. And now I am in the Malta Lake. It's very nice, beautiful, and many people are swimming. It's so nice. That's the ice cream shop where we were. It's so nice. You see people are swimming by the lake. Beautiful. Oh look, people are doing bungee jumping over there. Wow, nice. Beautiful. The background is actually the fountain. And here we are. Oh, there's the bungee jumping over there. Nice. Damian need to cool off himself. He sits somewhere, so it's time for me to record how it is here. It's hot, but yeah, enjoyable still. This is what I feel like. You know, living in Poznan, Poland is really enjoyable. There are so many things here. Lake, beach. I mean like beach in the lake, so you can swim there. And even they have a swimming pool with the thermal. When it is a winter, you still can swim. And now, outdoor swimming pool. It's amazing. Now I will show you the place where you also can enjoy like having a roller coaster, something like that. So yeah, in the Malta Lake there are so many attractions that you can enjoy with your friends, family, and yeah. That's the yellow thing over there. That's the bungee jumping. And here is the Malta ski, but I think that ski is closed. But the roller coaster, not roller coaster, but something, the ride. And you can even buy ice cream here. And in front also the children playground. And that's the carousel, I think, but it's gonna open soon. So nice. I just arrived in the yoga, friends. Here is the yoga class. Basically, nice waiting. Oh, so cute. Nice. Oh, that one looks so cute. So cute. Oh, so cute.
They said maybe his mama. There's boy.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Hey, 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 hey. Look at you. Hey. Hey. So cute. Oh, you also, you wanna cuddle?
Widać, to są dorosłe. To jest dorosłe.
Look at you.
Czyli tak. Są jeszcze mniejsze, ale to lepiej nie takich małych to nie. Bo niezdrowo to, nie? No tak. A jak one są inne ja mam kawałki. A jak on hobby jest na samochód? Od dziecka uczyć. Aha. U mojej siostry jest na przykład w tej chwili 20 psów i wszystkie żyją tylko w zgodzie. Więc to jest kwestia po prostu.
So that was my yoga class. Actually, some of our friends bringing the dogs where we have a yoga. It was fun, and yeah, this is actually a part of my daily life. I have a yoga class in the morning. I have a Sunday brunch with Damian. Now it's time to go home because later at sunset time we will go to Warta River. I think that we plan like that because will be nice, live music by the Warta River later on. So yeah, let's see. That's in front of me is gonna be the brand new bridge over the Warta River. So look at these vibe on the days today. Kohanye, hey, look at sunset behind you, Kohanye. It's beautiful. Wow, and you know where I am. This one is container art. So yeah, let's see and let's enjoy the time today. So because today is weekend and in front of me the live band music, and this is how it looks basically the place during the weekend, and it is packed with people. So Kohanye, do you want to buy something?
Let's see what's going on.
Okay.
Let's have a live one. I feel like in Bali again.
Oh yes, so this is how is the vibe, right? This is a very busy. You see all the seats are actually occupied. There is no empty seat. So let's see where to go. The container art, the container, with the food truck, not food, yes, container food. So this is how actually the situation. Wow, like I told you, there is no empty seat. Damian is buying drinks, so yeah, let's see. Hanye?
Places like this one here, and they are beers, but they are zero alcohol, so you can drink and drive.
Oh, nice.
They are zero.
Nice.
Really never see the opening bottle like this. I don't know. Focus on the bottle. Focus on the bottle.
Okay, I focus on you. Oh wow. What magic is you have? Okay. Hanye. And actually this is how the situation. Oh, you can play something here. What we can play here? And that's actually the vibe. Nice. Very nice. So that was the container art because Damian never been here. I've been here for 2 times. And here is the park, basically where you can sit, chill, enjoy, maybe having a party, barbecue party, something like that. So very nice. And that's behind actually the cathedral church. Kohanye. Look at the color of the sunset. Sunset is actually over there, and then that's behind is the apartment, and people still cycling, enjoying. Kohanye. Oh, you enjoy it? See, living in Poznan is actually enjoyable, right? Many places to enjoy with the family, with the friends. It's just like this, Look at how many people are here, enjoying their time with the friends, family, and it's nice. It's actually counter of the bicycle, you see? Bicycle pass, you see? Today it means 1,841 bicycle already passed this road. And look at how this place is so busy. Wow, family, dogs. Once again, this is actually the vibe. What time is it, Kohanye?
Recently it's 21:14.
Okay, it's just finished sunset and more people coming. Nice. So they are building the bridge, and they're gonna finish in the spring 2024-25, and the bridge look like this.
It will be walking bridge only.
Walking bridge only. Okay, overviewing the river. Oh, that's behind is the Malta Lake, no? From the drone. Wow. So I never take Damian for walking in the Warta River, Kohanye. So this is how it looks, okay? And this is really look like the market. I don't know, there are so many young people doing a grilling here, having a party by the river. It's so nice.
I agree.
Tak.
Actually, I didn't even expect this can be busy like that.
Tak, so that's what I told you, like, just enjoy it. That's the bridge, and that's the smoke of the barbecue. That's I don't know what to say. It's so busy during the summer, right?
Actually, yeah.
Tak? So busy.